How to set the Sony ZV-E10 4K camera file format to RAW and JPEG or JPEG. So first, let's go back to your main screen right here. Now on the screen, what you want to do is press on the menu button at the top right here. So press on that to go into your menu settings. Now using this round button here, we can navigate back and forth like this. So at the top here, you want to go to the first tab. So press on it and then go to the first tab by pressing left or right. Next, we press on the down button and then go to file format. Press on the round button here. And from here, press on the up or the down button and select RAW and JPEG or simply JPEG. And that's it. So press on the button to select, and after that you can press on the menu button to return back to your camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.